everyone, and welcome to the Online Business Growth Toolkit for Soulful and Intuitive Entrepreneurs Online Summit. My name is Inga Deksne, and I'm host of this summit. And today we talk with my dear friend, Gayle Edwards, and we will be talking about using your brand voice to create brand choice, how to create impact, and extend your influence through your personal brand. And I will allow Gayle to introduce herself. She does magical work, and Gayle is also one of the speakers at the live event Magical Creators in May. So if you feel that this session today gave you some inkling, some actionable steps, imagine what can you achieve when you get in a room with this woman. So over to you, Gayle.
Oh, lovely. Thank you very much, Inga, for that amazing build-up. I hope I can live up to it now. Yes, my name is Gayle Edwards. I'm a brand strategist and also positioning strategist. And I specialise in personal branding, especially for people who see themselves as not quite the norm, a little bit like square pegs who find that they're trying to fit into round holes and they can't quite do that. So those type of people I call entrepreneurial disruptors. And they're the people that I work with the most who really want to make a big noise with their brand, but for one reason or another they haven't yet been able to do that because they've been trying to fit into what everybody else in their field is doing. And I'm here today to completely dispel that myth. So anything that you have previously learned or think that you know about brand strategy and positioning and personal branding, we're about to turn that on its head. So the first thing people tend to do when they think about creating a new business or creating even a side hustle, the first thing they think about is, okay, what's it going to look like? What's my logo going to be? What colors do I want? What's my website? And oh my gosh, I need to get some business cards printed. That is the very end of the line on the branding concept, according to myself. Most people start there. And I can tell you that when they go through personal branding, especially with me, in the way that I do it, in the way that I show them how to be more of themselves more of the time, that's also where they end up again, because that's not the starting point. So that's a main misconception, that people start with image. I have four pillars of personal branding. Foundation, but it's the one area most people overlook because they start from the position of, I know what I'm doing, I know who I do it for, all I need to do is create my ideal client avatar and I'll get sales and off we go. Whilst that may be true for some businesses, that is nowhere near true for entrepreneurial disruptors, not for people who like to do things different, not for people who work from the heart as well and work energetically, because we feel, empaths and intuitives feel. And when we feel and we're trying to go through a process, there is a misalignment. So we have to go from where we start, which is how we feel. We've got to use that